Hey learners, in our last video we learned about concept of poverty and causes. Today we cover up impact of poverty in India with some anti-poverty programs. We know as India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world, poverty is on the decline in the country, with close to 44 Indians escaping extreme poverty every minute as per the World Poverty Clock. As of 2016, the incidence of the multidimensional poverty has almost halved between 2005-6 and 2015-16, declining from 54.7 to 37.5%. As we see in the picture, almost 27 crore people are poor in India, where 80% of India's poor live in rural areas. Uttar Pradesh has the highest poverty rate. Now, we are going to learn about impact or effects of poverty. Poverty is like a disease that has a devastating effects on an individual and his family. Let's see the major effects. Our first effect, the effect on health. The biggest effect of the poverty is the poor health. Those who suffer from the poverty do not have access to enough food, adequate clothing, medical facilities, and clean surroundings. Those such poor people die on a daily basis due to prolonged illness. Our next impact is effects on society. The impacts of poverty on society are as follows. The first, violence and crime rate. The poor people often indulge in wrong practice due to unemployment and poverty. Homelessness. Poor people are homeless. These are very unsafe for women and children of them. Stress. Due to lack of money, they suffer from a lot of stress. Child labor. We all know poverty forces poor people to send their children to work instead of sending them to schools. And the final and the vital and the foremost important point, terrorism. Youngsters from poor people or the poor families are usually targeted and involved in the terrorist activities. And our last impact is economic impact. Poverty is directly proportional to the success of the economy. The number of the people living under the poverty is reflective of how powerful is the economy. Now, let's check the name of some anti-poverty programs, such as Integrated Rural Development Program, or it's called IRDP, or Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, GRY, or Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana, JGSY, Employment Assurance Scheme, Food for Work Program, Sambhurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana, or SGRY, Rural Housing, or it's called Indira Awas Yojana. At the end of this video, we will cover some critical assessment of this program. We must have to admit that on the whole, the anti-poverty program has not been successful to eradicate poverty due to various schemes did not reach the poor people. In many cases, those benefits have been appropriated by influential persons. The next, there is a lack of goodwill on the part of the political parties also. Party interest gets priority while distributing government assessments. Hence, the most deserving candidate very often does not get the assistance. Third one, the schemes provide some immediate and temporary help. They do not create any durable asset which can generate income and employment for a long time in the future. Once the financial help is spent out, the beneficiary again becomes poor. And the final, According to C.T. Korean, without changing the individual property rationale, anti-poverty programs cannot help much. These programs cannot break or dislodge the stability of poverty. Therefore, we conclude here. Today we know about what are the impacts of poverty and anti-poverty programs and their reason behind failure. That's all for today. Please like and subscribe my channel for the more content. Thank you for joining with me.